It's very challenging for them. The rocks are almost touching the tanker. Woohoo! That was very, very refreshing. Welcome to Tabo. We're starting to see the Dhankar Monastery. So it's 4 PM now and we need to reach Mud before sunset. Good morning everyone. So this is day 8 of our Spiti expedition. We are currently in Nako. We are going to a couple of monasteries today. We are going to Dhankar Monastery, then Gyu Village, and then Tabo Monastery. Most probably have breakfast from Tabo, and then we'll be heading to Mud Village. That's where we are going to stay today. There's ice on my bike seat. Oh, battery is going weak. No, I think it's better we push start. There is a water crossing. Oh, sun. We are 12 kilometers away from Gyu. This is a checkpost where we have to give our vehicle details. Turning right to Gyu Village. We are finally here at Gyu Village. Only Ganesh went inside and captured the photo and video of the mummy. We're out from the diversion. Now we are heading to Tabo Monastery. The river looks beautiful. Looks more bluish now. Oh. He should be waiting with the smaller vehicles to pass. The river looks, river looks amazing. Thank you. It's very challenging for them. The rocks are almost touching the tanker. Oh man. Whoa. Oh man, what a view. Oh, the view is just getting better. All these stones that we are seeing have fallen down because of the wind, right? They've all rolled down because of the wind. I remember that day at night when we were traveling, we had so much crosswinds and we didn't have a road. Take is a different scenery. It's like we want to stop and take a photo on every turn, but given the time and we are on a schedule, so we are still moving by just enjoying the view with our eyes, making some memories. Oh, what a stretch. This is the first time we are touching 80 after reaching the mountains. Woo-hoo! That was very, very refreshing. Kilometers and we are seeing Tabo village over there, right in the middle of the valley. Welcome to Tabo. Where are all the people? This is where we stayed, right? Here on top. Let's eat first. I'm hungry.
No, yours is inside, no, so it should be fine.
Little leak that we can't help.
That gas.
We had our brunch from Dolma kitchen. There is our Tabo Monastery. Though it seems very sunny, it's still cold, but now it's manageable. Just surrounded by peak. Old monastery is to the right. Tabo Monastery is the oldest continuously functioning Buddhist monument in India. With Tabo Monastery, now we'll head towards Dhankar, which is about 31 kilometers, and it will take us about 40-45 minutes. Ready, Melvin?
Yes, bro.
We are on the same level as the river now. Just plain ground on one side. The roads have been very bad after Tabo, most likely due to the landslides which have been cleared. I'm slowly getting a shoulder pain, getting tired, but the show must go on. We have about 13 more kilometers to Dhankar Monastery. Melvin and Ganesh are going ahead, leaving the dust to me, so I'm keeping a little distance for the dust to clear and not breathe in. You can do only 2 lines, left or right. That's why I am the third line, which is 500 meters away. We are taking a right towards Dhankar Monastery, and that is, yeah, there's no road basically. This was what, landslider? Oh, it's all huge rocks. And the Spiti river bed, which is very huge here. We're starting to see the Dhankar Monastery on top there. That's about 4 kilometers away by road. I was very slow. These guys had reached the new Dhankar Monastery and waited for me, but I did not stop there. At least it's pretty decent from the new Dhankar Monastery till the old Dhankar Monastery. We've reached Dhankar Monastery. I'm just changing the battery and putting the case back in. How did you guys feel about...
Bro, you guys go and come, I'll sit here. That's how I felt.
Oh, like that. Okay. Okay, good one.
Bro, there's one shortcut here, okay? But only these local people, they know.
There was a U-turn that side. Yeah. I saw another road coming straight from that U-turn. That would have been a shortcut.
Yeah.
But we don't know with luggage how it was going to be. Let me show you how Dhankar looks. In about 2 to 3 weeks, this entire place is going to get covered in snow. It's just going to be white in color. Let's go to the monastery and we'll take some rest there as well. So we are all whitewashed a bit. I think by the time we reach Mud village, we'll be whitewashed completely.
You're having nothing but just a mud facial.
Mud facial before reaching mud.
Yeah. Multani mitti mud.
Multani mitti mud. Oh gosh. Oh, there's a very cute puppy here. Drinking water.
How's the view?
Beautiful. I'm just not thinking about the road. Oh man, all our armors are hard as rock. And finally we're done with the last spot for today. Next we have to reach Mud before it is sunset, and it'll take about 51 kilometers from here. Let me see where these vehicles are going up. Top of the village. Okay. Now going down is a little more difficult because our luggage bags will keep pushing us.
Life is a journey, not a destination. Here in the Himalayas with my friends, we embrace the adventure. Travel pushes us beyond our comfort zones, challenging us to grow. It's in these moments, sharing experiences and exploring the world, we discover the true beauty of life, the beauty of peace within. In the chaos of exploration, we find ourselves. We find inner peace.
So it's 4 p.m. now and we need to reach Mud before sunset. There's another 45 kilometers. Think we should be able to do it. Pretty sure that the roads are not great. At least an average of 30 kilometers an hour we should be able to reach in 1.5 hours. Ganesh is already halfway. Correct, Ganesh, continue. Actually there was a shortcut. Yeah. Now all of us will reach at the same time. Can you see me to the right? We have crosswinds here. Oh. Oi. I didn't think you will slow down. 36 kilometers is that, bro, and it's showing. Cool, thank you. It's just beautiful mountains. Oh wow. Good job. We have reached the diversion to Mud village and now we'll be taking all the way left. Yes. Welcome to Spiti Valley. So we traveled all the way on that left side of the mountain and now we are on this side going back all the way. Distance could have been reduced a lot if there was a bridge sooner, but I am no one to say. These two people are not giving me way and just dusting me. I'm falling back. Did the sun just put high beam on your faces? Ignis is doing rally. What about the lens? Smoking them from the dust of my tires. Sand. We have taken a break because of the amazing roads. I will move first, then you move. I just let the other two pass because I didn't want to be dusted so much. Another 19 kilometers. The roads, as you can see, are in a great condition. Getting a nice white wash. All my gear is already white. Average is just 30 kilometers an hour right now. 14 kilometers and the sun is going down. This is called self-inflicted pain. Oh man, the peak is so peaceful. We are 8.4 kilometers away. Time is 5:15. I'm starting to see a lot of mountains with snow ahead, and that's where we are heading to. All the water crossings towards Mud have been closed. They're all converted into bridges, so there's no fun in that. But I think it's good for the people who are staying here. I think at some point it will get better, definitely. Did I hear a photo? We're going there, so far away. Feels like we are going fast, but we are doing only 40. Finally, we are doing the last turns to Mud village. This time there's no snow here also. Oh, I remember we parked there, no? Last time? Pin Parvati Hotel, restaurant, breakfast, lunch, dinner, parking, electricity, solar, backup, attached bathroom with geyser and heater. This is where we are staying tonight. We'll look at our calendar, our schedule, and decide if we are going to extend stay here in Mud tomorrow or push to Kaza. You have to put cross. We have checked into Mud Valley and the food is really good. We had some pakada, paneer pakada and onion pakada. It's really good. Little bit expensive, but it's fair. It's justified. And we've ordered for dinner, which we'll have at 8. What is the next plan?
Next plan, tomorrow exploration of
Parvati Valley. So we'll find out. We'll ask the hotel guy about what exactly is there, because the peaks we can see from here, they are completely covered with snow. So I think beyond that, it should be all covered with snow, and that's Parvati Valley, right? If we can explore that on our bikes, then we'll extend a little bit tomorrow, and then if possible, if we are back on time, then we will go to Kaza by sunset, and next 3 days we will be in Kaza. We'll see how it goes. I'll keep you all posted. So we are signing off for the day.
yes. See you on day 9.
See you on day 9. Yes.